In this lecture series, I will cover the fundamentals of photochemistry and spectroscopy. And also it is extended for the device applications such as photovoltaics and photocatalyst. This lecture is basically intended for the senior level of undergraduate and also someone new to this field and the graduate students. Here is a description of course, starting from the interaction between light and molecules. And this interaction is induced by the interaction between electromagnetic wave and electron clouds of molecules. Photochemical reaction mechanism is explained based on this light-matter interaction. When molecules absorb light, they are excited into the excited state and followed by several different rules such as radicals, ions, and so on. And finally, they are changed into the product species. You need to at first understand how the optical transitions are related to light absorption, and also how the molecular symmetry is related to the light absorption based on the group COD. And also which time scale the chemical reaction proceeds. In the photochemical reaction, various intermediate species are involved in the reaction, and we will study how to analyze the photochemical reaction in terms of the reaction rate. And various photochemical reactions involving organic molecules and also metal complex will be introduced. And finally, we will study the several photo devices such as solar cells and photocatalyst.